The world of football has always considered superstars to be a club's main assets. But in a tactical audit, a team wouldn't function without its hidden components. This is the archive of nearly forgotten supporting players. Let's begin the audit. He was an emergency winger, a player whose professional career suddenly emerged at a mature age. Yet he managed to help his team, AC Milan, fight through the 2021 to 2023 seasons, lifting the Scudetto after a decade-long drought. Becoming a cornerstone for the manager at that time, he brought a breath of fresh air to the squad. This is Junior Walter Messias. Born in Belo Horizonte, Messias' football dream collapsed at age 20 after a youth stint at Cruzeiro season 2010 to 2011. Moving to Turin to join his brother, his trials with Serie D clubs yielded zero return. To survive, he worked long hours delivering refrigerators and household goods. But his passion never faced a deficit. He kept playing for Sport Warique, an amateur side of Peruvian immigrants. His breakthrough wasn't discovered by a high-profile scout, but by Ezio Rossi, a former Torino player volunteering with refugees. Rossi saw the raw value. When Rossi took over Casale in the 6th tier, he signed Messias in 2015. The investment paid off immediately, 21 goals and a promotion. The rise was meteoric. From Casale to Gozzano in 2017, and then to Crotone in Serie B in 2018, where his 6 goals and 6 assists liquidated the division to secure Serie A promotion. In his debut top-flight season, he proved his substance with 9 goals. Then, on September 1, 2021, AC Milan came calling with a €2.6 million loan deal. A 30-year-old former delivery man was suddenly sharing a dressing room with Zlatan Ibrahimovic and Olivier Giroud. In his first press conference, he made a promise. "I will repay the trust in me on the pitch." His ult 7, a flawless cross met by a thumping header, and goal. Milan won 1-0. A man who was carrying fridges 6 years prior had just carried AC Milan to a Champions League victory. Followed by a brilliant brace against Genoa a week later, his contributions cemented Milan's path to the Scudetto for the first time after 10 years in his first season with AC Milan. Looking back at that magical night, Messias told Amazon Prime, "I dedicate it to my family and friends in Brazil, but especially to those who have believed in me and had the faith to bring me to Milan." Today, in the 2025/2026 season, at 35 years old, Messias is still actively competing at the highest level with Genoa in Serie A. Despite battles with injuries, whenever he is fit, he remains a primary asset. His career sheet is proof that hard work eventually yields undeniable returns. Because behind the glory, there are always the sacrifices of unsung heroes working in silence. Who's the next hidden component we should audit? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to Penalty Point for more tactical analysis.